Hi, if you're looking for something to chill your drinks in, you just found it. That's a beverage cooler from RCGK Catering. So let me tell you a few words about it. This particular fridge, it has 320 liters capacity. It works with 210 watts, so it is quite powerful. And inside, well, of course, the doors are made of doubled tempered glass. It has a rubber magnetized seal, nice ergonomic grip for it, so you can open the doors. Inside, you have adjustable shelves with a very simple system, so you just choose your height and hang the shelf on those provided hooks on these 4 rails, so 2 rails on each side. Let's talk about controls. The controls are on the top, so the temperature display, you'll see here, that's the vent that provides air circulation inside, so you can set the temperature. The temperature rate on this one is between 2 and 8 degrees. So that's how you can set it. And of course you have a light. So let me show you how the light works. There you go. Alright, so this will make your drinks nice and visible for your customers to see what they're grabbing. One cool thing on the bottom, as you can see, if you see some condensation happening, there's a tray underneath it, there's a plug to collect it, so nothing will stay in the fridge. Alright, first question that I found on the internet that is frequently asked is how loud it is, and it is 50 decibels loud. So that quiet humming, that's all that you get. Also, whether the doors have a safety function? Well, they do. 2 keys are provided in the set. The lock is on the bottom of the door, so all you have to do is just press it, lock it, and the doors are closed. So if you keep some expensive drinks inside, that's how you lock it overnight to secure them. All right. One last question is whether you can fit standing up bottles in it. As I said before, the shelves are adjustable, so you can fit anything inside, provided it's wide enough. Alright, so that's all I have to the fridge. I thank you guys very much for watching, and I see you next time.